Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I hope you're having a good day or night whenever you are watching. So we are at the spot, we are at Dollar General, and we are about to get into this week's $5 challenge. So if you're not familiar with my $5 challenges, a $5 challenge is where we try to see how much stuff we can get for around that $5 mark. And in today's deal, we are going to do a couple different deals. So the first deal I want to get into is this dial and tone instant savings deal. So the first deal we're going to do is an instant savings promotion that is going on until the 29th of August, where you save $2 when you spend $8 on a right guard, dial, or tone body wash. So I wanted to grab two of the dial body washes, the 12 ounces that are down here, but my store is out of those. So what I'm going to do instead is I'm going to grab two of these tone body washes for $3 each. So that's going to give us $6 towards our spend. And then I'm going to be using one of these buy one get one free coupons that should make one of those bottles free. But of course that is not $8, so we will have to grab a couple more items. So the other two items that I'm going to grab are two of these hand soaps for $1.25. We will not be using any coupons on these, but as you can see from the tag, they do count towards the instant savings promotion. Okay, so these four items are the first part of our $5 challenge. So these four items total us up to $8.50. The tone body wash is $3 a piece, and then the dial hand soap is $1.25 each. So that gives us another $2.50. So we're crossing over $8. So because we have $8.50, we should save $2 instantly, bringing our total down to just $6.50. And then we're going to use that buy one get one free coupon to bring our total down. It's going to take off $3 to $3.50 for all four items, which I think is great. Now there's a couple different ways that you can do the dial deal alternatively, but I like to stock up on hand soap when I have an opportunity as well. So that is why I am doing it this way. Now let's talk about another way that you can do this deal, especially if your preference is the dial body wash. So you can grab two of these family size bottles for $4 a piece, and then you'll save $2 instantly with the instant savings promotion for spending the $8. Then you want to throw in one of your buy one get one free coupons again. That'll take off another $4, covering the cost of one bottle, bringing your total down to $2 for two bottles, which is not a bad deal at all. Okay, so as the second part of our deal, we are going to grab some school supplies. So the school supplies are still on sale. You got a lot of good deals over in this section. You got the Crayola 24 count that's normally $1.50. It's only 50 cents. You got some 33-cent off-brand crayons. You got the Crayola markers for $1.50. You got the colored pencils Crayola for only $1, and then the off-brand for 50 cents. So you got a lot of decent deals over here. I'm going to focus in on today. We're going to do this save of $5 when you spend $15 on back to school items. This includes pens, pencils, markers, paper, notebooks, everything back to school. So over the weekend, we got $1.50 off Bic items. They're $1.50 off two Bic stationery item coupons in the Smart Source. And so that is what I want to focus on for today's deal. Unfortunately, my store is pretty cleaned out of a lot of the Bic items, so I'm going to have to get creative with how we do this deal today. But let me show you what I plan on doing. Okay, guys, so this is everything that I am picking up today in our $5 challenge. So how I decided to do this deal was I decided to grab 12 of the Bic items. So I have a total of 12. I have 4 of the highlighters. I have 1 of the extra fun pencils because that is all my store had. I actually wanted to stock up on more extra fun pencils, and then the rest are pens. So I have about 7 packs of the Extra Life pens. And then to get me to $15, I also threw in some filler paper. The filler paper is on sale for 75 cents. So all 12 of the Bic items plus the filler paper total me up right to $15. So that qualifies me to use my 5 off of 15 coupon. Now, you can do this deal so many different ways. You do not have to grab the same big items that I grabbed. I am grabbing 12 just because I have a lot of the cheaper items, but if you get more expensive items, then adjust your total accordingly. Now, for these school supplies, let's talk about the coupons that I'm going to use. So I'm going to use our 5 off of 15, of course, but then I'm also going to use a total of 5 of these $1.50 off of 2 big stationery product coupons. If your store will not allow you to use more than 2 of these coupons, then you may want to wait until Saturday to do this deal, where you can add it into a 5 off of 25 scenario and maximize those savings. But in today's deal, we're going to use 5 of these plus $1 off of 1 big digital coupon and that 5 off of 15. I'm thinking that that should bring our total for all of these items down to just $1.50. All right, so the total for our items before any instant savings or coupons are applied should be about $23.50. After the instant savings, that should drop it $2 to $21.50, and then we'll be able to use all of our coupons as well. And after all of those coupons, I'm thinking we're going to pay about $5 for all of these items, and we got a lot of items for $5. So let's go up to the front and check out and see how everything works. So he has scanned everything, and I entered in my phone number while he was scanning so that my digitals could come off. Now he is scanning my paper coupons. All right, you guys, so that worked out perfectly, as you can tell from the checkout footage. Y'all, we got a total of 17 items, including 2 body washes, 2 hand soaps, and 13 school supply items for $5.73. That is what you call winning. And I forgot to tell you guys, in the store, I wanted to give credit to the girl who told me about this deal. So Pretty Plus Tax on Instagram is the person who posted this school supply deal, and thank you so much, girl, because that worked out perfectly. Y'all make sure that y'all are following her on Instagram. She is always posting so many low out-of-pocket deals. But so this worked out very, very well. Let me talk to you a little bit about how we checked out. So with the big items, with this whole deal, all I did was place everything up on there, let him scan everything. I entered in my phone number while he was actually scanning, and then he totaled out everything. After he totaled out everything and all of my instant savings came off, I handed over my paper coupons, and he was able to scan all of my paper coupons at once. So he didn't have to like scan 2 and then scan the item, as you would typically have to do with those off of 2 coupons. Now, if you were going to get more than one, if you were going to use more than one of the dial coupons, those buy one get one free coupons, then you would want to scan 2 items and then scan the coupon. But with the big deal, and because we were only using one of the BOGO coupons in this deal, he was able to scan all 6 coupons at one time. So after he scanned all 6 of the coupons, let's take a look at my receipt to see how everything worked out. So the first item I had him scan was the big extra fun pencil. I had him scan that so that that digital coupon would go ahead and attach to that one, and that so that my paper big coupons would attach to the other items. And as you can see, those all attached with no problem. And then of course we used that buy one get one free coupon. That buy one get one free coupon just scanned for $3 off of that tone body wash, so that worked out perfectly. Our subtotal for the 17 items came out to $5.73. And I really don't know where the 73 cents came from with the math. Something must have glitched with the instant savings, but I will not complain. So $5.73 for 17 items, and we had a total savings of $17.77. So I think that worked out pretty well for everything that we got. Y'all let me know what you think. So as always, I thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate each and every one of you guys for tuning into my video. Please remember to hit that thumbs up button if this deal was helpful for you. And as always, I will talk to you soon. Bye, you guys.